Okay, so topic 3.5 again, and we're doing initial value problem. So here we're given the derivative of a function, df dr is cos r sec r. So df dr equals cos of r and sec of r. Okay, now they're giving us the values of r equals 0 when f is equal to 5. So I need an expression in r and f. I don't want these d's here or anything. But ultimately they want me to create an expression, an equation. F is equal to stuff with r and lots of stuff with the r as well. So the easiest thing to do is going to be to integrate both sides. But first I need to bring my dr over. So if I'm integrating r's, I need a dr over there with them. So cos of r sec of r dr, and we'll integrate both of those. So the integral of df is obviously just going to give me f. As you can see there now, I've got a complex little one there. So we could look at this as we got to find out basically, are we going to do substitution or parts? So let's flip that over to the side here. So I've got cos of r times sec of r. Okay, well, if I differentiate cos, I'm going to get sine, so I'm not going to end up with sec. And I differentiate sec, so let me look that up there now. Do I have a derivative of sec here? Derivative of sec. I don't have a derivative. Oh, do I? No, I don't. I don't have a derivative of sec, but that's fine because we have a formula in our tables that allows us to convert sec into something else. So if you look at your formula book and you look where your trigonometric identities are, there's a formula in there that says the sec of an angle A is equal to 1 over the cos of that angle A. Okay, so I could actually rewrite this if I wanted to. So cos of r is fine, but sec of r could just be written as 1 over the cos of r dr. Okay, now, just to simplify that, if you wanted to write cos r as a fraction, you can have it over 1 if you want. It doesn't make a difference. But when we multiply fractions, the top multiplies the top and the bottom multiplies the bottom. So I get cos of r over cos of r. But something over itself is equal to 1. Like if I have 3 over 3, that's the same as saying 1. So all I'm doing is integrating 1 dr, which is just integrating dr. That's all I'm doing. So ultimately, when I simplify it, all I have to integrate is dr. And the integral of dr, if I integrate dr, it's just going to give me r, and then plus c. So when I simplify that, the integral of cos r sec r is just r plus c. A nice simple integral. Now, we don't want our c there. We want to figure out what that is. So they say if r is 0, f is 5. So I let f equals 5 and r is 0. So that means c is equal to 5. So now I'm able to rewrite my equation. F is equal to r, and instead of plus c, I can say plus 5. Nice simple solution to that one there.